Hello, ladies and gentlemen. You're welcome to yet another scintillating episode of Street Views on Nominera TV. I remain your humble host, Adedigba Toluwalade Ademola, but you can simply call me MC Twinkle. And today is the United Nations International Youth Day, and the theme for this year is Youth Engagement for Global Action. Tracing it back to Nigeria, you must agree with me that we've had really young leaders and they did well over the years. Now bringing us to the question of today. Are young Nigerians actually engaging enough in political matters? And do you think young Nigerians will actually make a huge change if given the chance to be? Come with me. Are Nigerians, young Nigerians, are they actually engaging enough in political matters?
Okay, let me start by saying this. The political system in Nigeria needs more hands on desk. Like we need youths that actually have good heart for governance. So if you're asking the question, now the question we should be asking is, the present 21st century youth, do they have the heart of good governance? So if you can answer that question, I think we're actually good to go in Nigeria. A lot of people actually have this political career, political ambition to run for offices, but the question is, do they have a good heart for governance? So if you can answer that question, I think we're good to go in Nigeria. Okay,
I think that should lead us to the second question. Now the second question is Nigerian youths, young Nigerians, do you think they will actually contribute enough if they get the chance to be in governance? Do you think they will actually make any difference?
Yes. I think we have youths, we have young Nigerians running in the House of Reps. I think the Nigerian youth in the next 5 years, so to speak, I think Nigerian youth will actually contribute immensely into the political system in Nigeria.
Do you think Nigerian youths are engaging enough in political matters?
I think they are trying, but they are not being given a chance to. Like, I can see some youth standing up for governorship and something like that, but they are not being given the opportunities. People feel they are not matured enough to handle it. But to me, I think they should be given a chance.
I think that brings me directly to the second question, which is, if they are given a chance, to be in governance, do you think they will actually make a difference?
Yeah, I think so. Because right now, at this place we are, they are the ones seeing things that is going on with us. Not those matured old men up there. They hardly come to this side of the world to see what's going on with us. But the youth knows what's going on. They are basically on the internet, they know what's trending, they know the problem that is wrong with Nigerians. So I think if they have been given the opportunity, they will make a change, like a very great change.
Do you think Nigerian youths, do you think young Nigerians are actually engaging in political matters? Do you think they're actually engaging enough in political matters?
Yeah, they are really engaging, but not actively engaging in Nigerian politics. Okay. And the major reason is because if you look at Nigerian politics, the way it's been structured, it has been structured in a way that this godfatherism has taken over the whole political sector. Sure, you get. So for you to belong to that particular sector, you have to know people that know people.
That's a very strong point.
And another reason is because the money involved is very, very huge. So how many of our youths can afford this money?
Many youths can afford to buy it.
Exactly. The money for the farm, and even to settle all these godfathers. How many of them have the money? So you discover that all these old people who have will still keep on dominating. As far as they have the money and they are highly influential in the society. So they keep dominating the political sector.
The question is, are Nigerian youth actively engaging in political matters?
I don't think so, because most of them just want to make this money and move on and not care who is ruling or who is leading. So far they are enjoying it.
So far they are making their own money.
Exactly.
So what do you think about this?
Yeah, I should go with that, because most of us are just like, I just want to live my life on a coded level, not this really celebrity stuff of a thing, and not even knowing people like that.
As a politician, right?
Like as a politician.
Okay, I think that should lead me to the next question. Okay, even if you have some people that they don't just want to make money, they want to actually change the system, they want to make things better. Do you think Nigerian youth will actually make a difference in governance?
Yeah, Nigerian youths will make it different, like very, very different. Like they will make a positive change, like in a fantabulous way. Because, okay, like I said earlier, they are not willing to just rule or something like that. We want to make it, like we want our country to be like, okay, we all travel to US or stuff like that. We want
Not all of us.
like, okay, let me just say that we want our country to be like that too. So I think we would make it good and lovely.
Emma, what do you feel about this?
I think they want to, but they are scared of those that are there, the elderly ones that are they going to give them the chance. So if they get the chance, we all watch American movies, even if we've not gone to America before. So we see what's going on and we want that type of thing in our country. So I think if youths are given the chance, they will actually try better and do more.
Thank you very much for your time. You've heard it all from the people of Dugbe, Ibadan, Oyo State. Nigerian youth should be given a chance in government. Nigerian youth are not actively involved in government. All this, I still want to get what you think about it. Do you actually think Nigerian youth are actively involved? Do you think they will actually make a change? These are the questions we should ask ourselves and we should answer ourselves. Thank you very much for sticking with me today on Street Views with Ominira TV. Once again, I remain your humble host, Adedigba Toluwalade Ademola. You can simply call me MC Twinko. You can join me next time by clicking the subscribe button. Subscribe on YouTube, on Facebook at Ominira TV. Thank you very much for sticking with me today. Have a wonderful week.